My name is Matt Brown. I'm a trainee QS for Cambridgeshire Highways here at M Group, and I'm doing my studies with Anglia Ruskin University as an apprentice. So as a trainee quantity surveyor, I work with the wider commercial team to help manage a lot of different reactive programs and build off of everything learned at A-levels and apply that to this construction industry. All the opportunities that come in my way are for me to develop as a person and grow within the company. I started working on some signs and lines for the first month when I started. I now look after my own reactive body program, and more so recently I work with a senior QS on a surface treatment program. Starting 8 months ago and already having like a good scope and understanding of the commercial team as a whole is really it's rewarding. You feel important, and as an apprentice I feel like that's an important stage for your development. From Anglia Ruskin's point of view, they're able to provide me with a theory for my role, and all the knowledge I'm kind of gaining from all the modules I've studied at uni, such as health and safety and recently technology structures, is applicable into the company that I'm working for now at M Group. Being able to earn whilst you learn is obviously a good balance. I couldn't recommend it more. Being able to look after yourself, commute obviously with the construction industry, obviously to travel. Everybody needs a break here and there, so if you want to treat yourself for a holiday, you've got the money in your pocket to do that. Javinder is my early careers team manager, so he provides all the support and provides necessary information to help me develop. Javinder also organises plenty of regular sessions with our cohort, which pulls together loads of apprentices from loads of divisions across the company, whether that be from water, telecom or energy. So you're obviously being able to learn from each other. You do a lot of team building and independent exercise that allow you to develop yourself as a person, but also gain such a wider understanding of what the company contributes on a national scale. Carrying that business knowledge now and further along in my apprenticeship, I'm excited to kind of see what the future holds. The industry is constantly changing and I see opportunities for growth, so I strive for that.